Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, we are going to be installing these pedal shifter extension for my 2019 Mustang GT. This tutorial should work for any Mustang, whether they're from 2015 to 2021, EcoBoost, GT, whatever you have. As long as it's an automatic, obviously, that's going to work. Now, if you guys do recall from my previous video, we did the unboxing of these pedal shifter extensions, which, by the way, is the first mod on this channel, and I'm very, very excited to be doing that with you guys. And if you guys recall from the unboxing video, I was pretty impressed by the quality of these pedal shifters extension, given that they barely cost anything, less than a half a tank of gas. Once the installation is done, we will be going from this to that. I picked these pedal shifter extensions from Amazon for my car. Of course, I got the red to match the red exterior of the car. I think it's going to go really well with the interior and just have a contrast of black and red going on. These are surprisingly very good quality, as I've mentioned in my unboxing video. Check it out. It's like if you got the second one here, you kind of do them. It's almost like aluminum feeling, glass. It's going to feel very nice compared to the stock ones that you get in your 2015 through 2021 Mustang GT or EcoBoost. So like I said, I obviously picked the red one to go with the exterior of my car, but they've got tons of other options if you're interested in that. They've got the subtle colors, which are like black, gray, kind of carbon type of material, or you've got the vibrant one, then obviously like the red one, blue, even pink. They've got tons of options for anyone, to match either your exterior color or just you want to vibe it out. And if you got a black car, you want to accent it out with red or blue, and that's going to look amazing. If you guys are interested in checking these out, I will definitely leave a link in the description. You can pick any color. Like I said, they cost only $20, which is half a tank of gas for your GT or EcoBoost. So it's well worth it. Definitely take a look at it. The installation is going to be very simple, and pretty much anybody can do it, even if you've never messed with your car. With the packaging, it comes with the double-sided tape, which is here, right here, and this is pretty much where the double-sided tape is going to go on over here. Now the thing with these is they are not replacing your stock pedal shifter, which would obviously mean kind of replacing them, taking them out and all this stuff, which would involve a lot more labor. This is just simply going on top of the stock ones, but it's going to feel much nicer and look very nice in the interior and feel much nicer to the touch. So your stock pedal shifters are going to remain in place. They're just going to go on top of them, so when you're just cruising around or showing off your interior, it's going to pop a lot more depending on what color you get. But also when you're using the pedal shifter, it's going to give you a nice feedback compared to stock plastic ones. Okay, so this is your stock pedal shifter. As you can see on the back of it, we've got this unit right here. That's the actual pedal shifter, and you can see this indentation here, and this kind of piece is more of an L shape that is going to go with the pedal shifter extension, which will match here. Well, let me show it to you. As you can see, this one's got the same indentation here, more of an L shape here as well, which resembles what we just saw on the back here. So this is pretty much going to mimic that, and it's going to go on top of it that you can pull through. Like I mentioned, it's got double-sided tape with it, so I'm going to put the double-sided tape right here. And it's cut out too, so you don't have to worry about cutting the tape and messing up and overlays and all that stuff. So it's going to be cut for that. And you're going to obviously, like I mentioned, it's going to mimic that. You're going to put it on top of it. It's going to go like this and just stick there. So let's get started with the installation. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and get the double-sided tape that comes with the pedal shifter extensions. So let's get this. So this is what it would look like. As I said, it mimics the pattern right here. So you just gotta stick it and you should be good. So I'm going to take the minus one first, and you can see it resembles it. So I'm going to take it out. And as you can see, it fits in right into the slot. As I said, it's pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting and messing up the overlay. And this is pretty much in now. All right, we'll do the same one on the plus side. Here's the plus side for that. I'm going to take it, peel the sticker. And again, it's pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about any of that. Gotta carefully place it. It's pre-cut, so you really can't mess it up, but alright, and you want to obviously, once you press it, you want to kind of press a little bit hard to make sure it really goes in. And that's pretty much it. It's prepped up here. Okay, so once you got the tape on, you obviously want to peel this second layer off, which would be the second side of it, the double-sided portion of it. And you're just gonna, like I showed you earlier, you're just pretty much gonna stick it on the plus side, which would be for upshifting, and the minus side for downshifting. Alright, so as you can see, this is completely out now. And we're gonna line it up with the paddle shifters. And you're better off just kind of sliding it in its place. And you want to press it for about 15-20 seconds just to make sure it kind of holds in its place. And while you're at it, you might want to add pressure to the top and the bottom just to make sure it's evenly pressed in. Alright, so as you can see, this is installed in and it's pretty sturdy. You can click it, works fine. So now we're going to be doing the same thing on the upshifting, which is a plus side. Alright, so as you can see, we've got the tape peeled on this one as well. This is a plus for your upshifting. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to line it first. And once you got it lined up, you want to slide it here. And once it kind of sits on there, you hold this for about 30 seconds or so, just to apply even pressure to make sure it really holds onto it. So we'll give it a few seconds. Alright, that should be it. And as you can see, it kind of caught on. You can obviously, the more time it spends there, it's going to be a lot more sturdier. And I can press it and there's no movement. Alright, as you can see, they're finally installed and the installation was pretty simple. It took only 5 minutes. Like I said, you really don't need to know how to work on cars. It's very simple. And you've got the plus here, and I can press it. It has a very nice feeling compared to the stock ones, which were really plasticky. And then obviously you've got the minus for downshifting here. And you obviously make sure when you're pressing the paddle shifters, you're applying force on where you would normally press it on your stock ones, because if you do it here, it's gonna, since it's taped up, it could come off. So there we go. It feels very nice to the touch. I really like it. I mean, for the price, for only 20 bucks, which, like I said, half a tank of the gas, it has to be one of the cheapest and best mod I've done to the car, and I'm looking forward to using them. Obviously, what makes it really easy for these paddle shifter extensions to be installed is they are not replacing the stock ones. They're going on top of the stock ones. So as you can see here, I've still got my stock ones, and you can see from the size of it, this is the extensions, and the stock ones are like very little. We're very tiny. Not easy to see from the steering wheel, but this one makes it very vibrant, and obviously it pops because it's red, which matches the exterior color of my car. Like I mentioned, there's plenty of other colors if you wanted to try something else too. But the stock ones are still there, which makes this installation a breeze. And this adds a very nice dynamic to it, and you can use it and not have to worry about it when you're autocrossing or tracking your car. They're always visible. You don't have to hunt them where your paddle shifters are. Well, guys, that's pretty much it on how to install the paddle shifter extension on your Mustang. This works for 2015 through 2021 Mustang, whether you've got EcoBoost or a GT. I will be testing these out in an in-depth video and giving you a full review on how they really feel. Does it really benefit from the stock ones? And overall, just using them, what the feel is like, and just how it adds to the interior. So we'll be having an in-depth review of these pedal shifter extension. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.